So I'm going to do my brows with the new Ardell Beauty brow products, brow pencil, which looks like this. This is by Ardell Beauty. Guys, this brow product by Ardell is amazing. This is good product. This one is creamy, not drying, and the shade is beautiful. I'm using medium brow. Look at that. My brow is coming on. Okay, stop dancing. Let's not be happy yet. Or is it just like it's a good brow day today, or is it just the product? I don't understand. So I'm just setting the lid with powder. You know, you have to set the lid in place. Choose the Huda Beauty palette, the Precious Stone palette. The shade, apply that on the crease. Just a simple look that anybody can just go and recreate. Yeah, let's use this yellow. Take the shade and mix it with the shade. Take a little bit of the brown shade. We take this Huda Beauty pencil, lip pencil, bits. I'm going to apply this on my waterline. Take a small brush and blend the under eyes with the transition colors. The Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, this one right here, to powder. That is it. Glow of life. Ardell Beauty mascara. Apply mascara first in case I forget. Lashes. So lash glue on the lash band. Yeah, lashes on. With the lip. For lip, I wanted to go bold with the lip, but as it is now, I don't think I can go bold. I will just have to do a nude lip with this look. So I will line my lip with the Huda Beauty lip liner. For lipstick, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Demi Matte lipstick. Just going to spray my face with the MAC setting spray. This is the final look. There's nothing much to do. I don't have anything else I want to add to this makeup. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me rush now and just move along. Remember what I always say, be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, and do you always. And remain blessed. Bye guys.